Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. When the hill blocked Obatalà's path. Story: On this path, Obatala went out for a walk, and in the middle of the road, a loma, hill, blocked his way. Because of this, Obatala went to the house of Òrúnmìlà, so that he could perform ensodi, divination, to see how he could free himself from that obstacle. Òrúnmìlà performed sodi for him, and saw this Odù ՕΤΟΥΡÁ MÉJÌ, and prescribed Igbo ritual offering. Obatala carried out the ABO, and Ifa instructed him that he had to take it to the foot of the hill that was blocking his path. He did so, and as soon as he placed the offering, the hill opened up and Obatala was able to continue on his way. Note: through this Odù, it is revealed that EBO must be done so that the paths may open, because they are currently blocked.